Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to be sharing this part of my life with you guys. Like, you see me looking at this place, like I didn't believe it I could be a winner of what I'm about to reveal to you guys. You all might have seen it in a thumbnail, but I'm just about to do the unboxing. This came in like a month ago, trust me, but I've been waiting for the right moment to do this, like the right moment to do it, because I've been working on all other contents. And you know how you plan, you have to plan. So I've been doing my planning and been waiting for this day to come, and today is here. First of all, I want to thank God. I want to thank God for the life. I want to thank God for everything, because it's the reason why I'm here today to share this with you guys. You know, I said it. It's been a month that this thing came in, and I'm alive today to testify to this. I mean, to share this with you guys. So that is the reason why I will forever put God first in everything. All right. And secondly, I want to show appreciation to HD Signatures. If not for her, I'll say no, for God, for her. All right, God uses her. That's what I'm going to, the right word to use. She tagged me on this day, and I have no clue what was going on Instagram, because I've been concentrating more on YouTube. I go to Instagram every now and then, if not of lately. I started doing TikTok, then I started posting more there. But at the time this happened, guys, I've not been going to Instagram like the way I used to. So HD Signature tagged me on this contest that was going on with this company called Good Molecules. All right, so when she tagged me, usually when somebody tagged me, I just go there and wish that person good luck. I hardly enter again for myself, you know, I hardly. So I was like, something in me was just like, why not enter too? So after I wished her good luck, then I went down there and I entered too for this giveaway. And lo and behold, I woke up one morning and I got a congratulatory letter, you know, message in my DM from the company that I'm one of the 100 people selected. Imagine, 100 people, and I was one of them. This is why I am so grateful to God. I'm thankful to you, HD Signatures, for tagging me, because if not for you, I wouldn't have been able to win this amazing gift. Thank you so much. God will continue to bless you in all your ways. All right, guys. Before I continue with this video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. All right. Without wasting much of your time, we're going to jump right into this video, and please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I don't know what I'm going to say that you should leave, but just leave something, you know, in the comment section, because this is an unboxing of a giveaway that I won. All right, and I'm still going to do the review of the product for you guys, but I'm first of all going to do the unboxing for you guys to see what I won. All right, guys, God is good. You might not be there yet. All right, don't give up. Keep doing what you're doing. You all can see I've been on this journey for a while, and a lot of people have met me there, they've left me there, and yes, I will still continue rolling. I enjoy filming. I enjoy to be at the front of the camera. So I have that, you know, I have that zeal for what I'm doing, and I will keep doing it. One day I will surely get there. You all know what I mean. I will surely get there. I thank God that it's been God has been blessing me in so many ways, and I'm able to invest on my channel. All right, so, and I thank God that very soon, hallelujah, Hosanna, that she got there too, we come along. All right, just keep doing your thing. Don't envy anybody. Be happy with them. Whenever they win, be happy with them. When they are sad, be sad with them genuinely. Don't envy anybody. I know it is not easy because we're a human being, all right, but try to, as much as you can, to take away envy away from your life. It blocks blessing a lot. When you see that they are happy, be happy for them. When they meet you on the journey and they supersede you, just be happy for them. We all are running different races, all right? If you all look at it, I'm just doing this, you know, to motivate people. I'm that kind of a person, All right, before I open this thing, please don't be discouraged. Don't click out. Maybe this is how God is leading me to talk to you today. So please just keep doing your own thing. Don't think about you were here before somebody and that person is monetized. Don't think about it. Just keep doing your own thing. Look at it from this point of view. You all are doing different content. There are so many content that some people are doing on their channel that you are not doing, and there are so many more that you are doing that they are not doing. We are all running different races. All right, so don't even think about, oh my God, this person has been monetized, that person has monetized, when is it going to be your own time? Don't think about it. Keep doing your own thing. Keep running your own race. Keep continue to create your own sunshine. All right, just be yourself. Be happy for people when they're happy, and when they're sad, be genuinely sad with them. All right, I'm sorry for the noise in the background. My kids are awake. Of course, this is afternoon on a Sunday, so everybody, they're awake. They're just doing their own thing there, and I'm doing my own thing here. So sorry for the noise, I know. All right, guys, so without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead and open this box. It's like, see, this is it. I haven't opened it, like I said. It came in a month ago. Of course, I know what is inside because I know what I want. Say Good Molecules. This is the name of the company that I want this giveaway from. So you all are going to see. I have my scissors right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. This is so excited. Like, I've Alright guys, so let's continue with this. Let's open up what is in there, and this is how it's looking. Look at that. Good Molecules, their name right there, and this is all you can see. Like they're kind of their symbol. It's always on their Instagram, on their products. So this is how it's looking. It has an handle right here, okay, to lift it up. At the back we have the switch on and switch off button right there, and of course this is the fan to cool it down. All right, the ventilator, you know, if that is the right word. All right, so of course you have the do not cover fan. Oh, I'm right, I didn't even see that. Yeah, I'm right. So it's the fan. So that is it right there. So right here, I guess it's gonna be where to open the. So like I said, I believe I have stuff inside. I didn't just win only the fridge. I want some skincare with it. So I think we have to push this. Yes, look at that. When you push this button right here, it open up. See, like I said, of course I have stuff in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing them. I'll be showing you because I know you all can see it like this. So the first thing, of course, we have this tissue paper right there, and this first thing says silicone-free priming moisturizer. That's what this is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it so for you guys to see how that look like. I'm still gonna do my first impression about this product, and I'll let you guys know. All right, but not in this video because I don't want it to be too long. All right, this is how this is looking. All right, okay, all right, so let's move on to the next thing we have in the fridge. The fridge has the upper parts and the bottom parts right here and right here, two shelves, and it has another space right here. So on the other side we have the cord, of course, to operate it. We have the manual came with it. This is the manual to operate the fridge. So I'm going to put those right there. So I'm going to the second shelf to see what we have in there. So the first thing is ultra hydrating facial oil. So this is how this is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and open that for you guys. This is unboxing, so I have to go ahead and open it for you guys. Okay, like I said, ultra hydrating facial oil. I need that in my life, especially we're going into winter. Oh yeah, you know, that is when your skin gets super dry, kind of. Yes, so I'll put that right there. So I'm going to go ahead to the other one. Yes, we have hyaluronic acid serum. Guys, I love serum. I love to use serum. Like, I use serum every day, and I love whichever one that has hyaluronic acid in it. Very anti-aging, very good serum. And these products, guys, you all need to check them out. Their products are very affordable and effective as well. I've not used them, and the reason why I'm saying they're very effective is because I've heard so many good stuff about this product, all right, and about this company too as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing here. I still have more. So this is their niacinamide brightening toner. All right, this is a toner. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open that one too. I'm so excited that it comes with everything I need for skincare, you know, for my face, everything I need for my facial care. All right, look at the niacinamide. I've heard so much good stuff about this. I know a friend of mine, a YouTuber as well, Niela Obijaku uses this, and she testified to it how good it is. Niacinamide on its own, it's good, and this is a toner. All right, so I'm loving it already. Of course, I told you guys I'm still going to do my first impression. I'm going to use them and let you guys know. Not first impression, I will use them and let you guys know. All right, okay, so the last thing inside there is called caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. Guys, anything that says that for eye cream that has caffeine or coffee in it, it works good. That's what I've read, and that's what I've experienced too. So this has caffeine in it. That's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this too and let you guys see. Of course, caffeine, you know, they have the same thing they wrote on the package on it. So guys, I have to share this with you guys. I was trying to, you know, to connect the cord. The cord comes the cord has two, it came with two cords. One is for car, which is this one. If you're going to use it in the car, it's this one that you're going to connect, and that's the DC. It has it at the back already where you can connect that one right here. And this one is if you're going to use it at home. This is the cord, and of course that one go for the AC, which is right here, and that's the one I'll be going for. Of course, I'm not in the car. I'm kneeling down, if you guys are wondering. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this at the back. I think just like so. It's not that difficult. So I'll go ahead, because the instruction I read it before I came back to the camera. I'm going to have to take this off. Like, you have to keep it away from something that is flammable. All right, and I believe that is it. So I was going to make it look, you know, sophisticated, but I'm not about to burn down the house because I'm trying to be posh. Okay. So this is like 3 hours after, I think. Yeah, and this is how it is looking. You guys can see, look at how that look. It's cold now. See how the bottle look like.
Yeah,
it's cold. And that's my little one saying yeah. See, it's trying to grab it too. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Very cold?
Yeah.
What about the other one? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it's so amazing. Like, that's about it, guys.